For today's lecture, I expected to learn more about KDI and KSP. Initially, I was thinking of how KDI influenced Korea in their 5-year economic plans, but surprisingly, the stuff that I learned today was so much more contextual and probably more effective than I expected. So what I learned today was more specific, specifically on very effective entry points on how Korea uses their ODA through KSP and EIPP so that other developing countries in partnership with Korea can aim for better urban development. And it's so useful, and it's very kind as well that KDI has these avenues to help developing countries through ODA, and then these creation of PCPs where the speaker, Sir Jungwook Kim, was very helpful as well in describing the do's and don'ts, effective strategies on how to create our PCPs. And he was also very welcoming and very compelling on how we can apply to help our own cities and help our own countries.